Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Daily Downshift. My name is Nestor and today we're back with the G87 M2 for another install.
We've got something that I've been waiting for quite some time, and it's carbon fiber. And I think you know what it is. It is at the rear end of this vehicle.
Okay, so the spoiler we went with is the AutoID ID-01 carbon fiber. I think it's called like a lip spoiler. I don't know the exact name for it, but we're gonna go ahead. Just got smacked on the table. That's not good.
Nice.
So it's my first time taking a look at it. Obviously we have to open it up. I can already tell how much wider it is. It has a little bit of kind of like a divot in the middle, and then it extends outwards towards the ends. Good, nice size. I think this is gonna look sick. So let's get this thing opened up here.
I already had a look in the box, hence why it was open. I think there's something else in there. Have a quick look.
Is there? Oh, what the heck is this?
Yeah, dump it out.
Is there anything else? Yo, this is sick. I don't know if they send this out with every order. Probably candy from like the UK that we don't have here.
It might be. Oh, I thought it was Wonka.
Naom? I don't even know how you say that. In addition to this carbon fiber install, guys, we are going to give you a review taste test of these guys at the end of the video.
Good thing there's two of them.
Yeah, which one you want? I kind of want to fight you for the orange one.
I was gonna say I'm cool with pink.
Okay, all right, we're good then. Oh,
look at that beautiful hockey stick right there.
Yeah, the carbon fiber weave is absolutely beautiful on this.
Oh yeah, look at that glaze in the sun.
Zero imperfections, no scratches. We got the 3M tape already there. We got some quality control stickers as well. Oh man, this is looking fantastic. And actually, this is probably gonna be quicker if I just go like this.
Oh yeah.
It weighs absolutely nothing too, which is awesome. You love to see that. Wow.
I always love unwrapping carbon.
Yeah. One of the best things there is. And it's so interesting the way they did this. Like, it's full carbon here. It doesn't like go inside.
The raw finish or whatever?
Yeah, some people have kind of like a raw finish here and it dips down. But this is even the bottom side's nice, smooth, glossy carbon, which is awesome. So yeah, that is sweet.
Here we have it. Just throwing it right on top. Wow, that is so much bigger.
Oh man.
I didn't think it was that much bigger, but it's...
Yo, that looks sick. Oh man.
I mean, we'll wait till we put it on to get the full review, but so far so good.
Wow, this is going to look so good.
Yeah, from here it's crazy.
I know in the M2 CS, the F87,
right,
the carbon weave for the roofs were a disaster.
Oh, were they?
Yeah, and it was like it was a big square, like it was very, very big checkered squares, and it didn't match anything. This actually is quite close, and so it won't look out of place at all.
Okay. And
it'll probably match the mirrors as well.
Oh yes, I forgot you already had carbon on this.
Yep. Yep, same kind of weave pattern as well. Color looks the same too.
Very nice.
So if you guys want to check out AutoID, they have all sorts of carbon products, not just this spoiler. They do mirrors, they do all sorts of stuff. And actually, they even have a full kit that they're developing for the G87, which I think is out already, and you guys can pre-order it. So go to their site, check out their products. They have stuff not even for the G87 too, so yeah. Okay, so first thing we're gonna have to do to take this bad boy off is obviously heat it up. If you have a blow dryer or a heat gun, just go ahead and heat up this entire edge. Then we're gonna go ahead and grab our fishing line, and we're just gonna work it through that adhesive, breaking it, it'll come right off. We got a decent amount off already. We just heated it up with the blow dryer. Got the fishing line. It is breaking on us quite a bit, but it's doing its job. We're about halfway done. Okay, we're in the final stretch here. Looks like it's about to come off. Slow and steady wins the race, right?
Oh yeah.
There it is. But it came off very, very cleanly, actually.
Look at that pattern on it too, right? Beautiful.
Yeah,
look at it. Stunning.
There's a nice pattern from the fishing line. The whole pattern, even here, the pattern on this is sick. Shout out to Skill, always using their products whenever we can. So we have a 3M, I think this is a stripper wheel, or what is it?
I know it's like a wax, I don't even know, like a residue remover wheel.
Yeah, so this we use it on all of our spoiler residue that's left over or whatnot. It just kind of gets it done quickly. You could peel it by hand if you want to, but then you're gonna get blisters. And so yeah, this is kind of the fastest way that we found to do it. All right, so we're practically done taking off all of the residue. As you guys can see, it's looking much, much cleaner there.
All right, Hotshot, what do you got for us?
So the other thing that we did, there was obviously a little bit of residue left over from the 3M wheels. So we just used some Goo Gone, fresh microfiber, sprayed it all over, and it did a pretty good job of cleaning up the entire surface. Obviously it's dirty all over here. We're not worried about that. We're just worried about the contact patch where the 3M adhesive of the carbon's gonna go.
Yeah, it looks pretty good from the back though, eh? Like we were saying earlier.
Yeah.
It's not bad stock as is, because there's a bit of a kick to it built in.
Right. Yeah, it actually, I almost prefer this look than having that dinky little red spoiler on this.
Yeah.
The new CS or CSL that they're gonna come out with is gonna have the same design, but it's gonna be bigger. And I think it's gonna look really good based on how this looks right here with no little spoiler on it. Okay, so we just really quickly put some masking tape along the edges. We wanna make sure that it's completely lined up 100%. And so we got masking tape all over the place. And the one thing we're gonna have to do now is actually get some adhesive promoter, which they kindly supplied us with. We have obviously taken off the 3M just a little bit on the edges. The middle's fully intact. So what we're gonna do is focus on laying the edges down perfectly. And then after that, we can just pull this off once it's in the correct position. We're gonna apply some pressure on it afterwards for about 5 minutes and we should be good to go. Now, we did add a tiny bit more 3M adhesive just on the edges here to make this stick better in the corners. Probably not necessary, but we like to, you know, do everything above and beyond essentially.
Ooh, dangerous game.
Ooh, it's tough. I can't tell what I'm more excited for. To actually see what this spoiler looks like when I take a step back, or to taste that candy. That UK candy, man.
Oh man.
Could be a life changer, you know?
Let's go to the back.
Oh yeah.
What a kick.
Yeah, that hits different.
Yeah, looks like the M Performance now.
Oh dude, that looks so good.
Oh yeah.
I actually really like that.
That's dead
Wow.
on. Let's zoom in. Boom. How's that? That's a good view.
Yeah, the side angle too. This shot right here looks incredible. It doesn't look that massive on the car, but once you put it beside this, you're like, wow, that is like triple, quadruple the size.
Oh yeah, because it's a big car, right?
Yep.
Look at that. And then there's the height.
Yeah, the height difference, wow. That's crazy. Super happy with how the spoiler came out, guys. I think it just kind of completes the entire build for now. Obviously, there are things we still have to do to this car. We have to do downpipes, hopefully an exhaust, rear seat delete maybe, full kit. That's all stuff that I have planned for this car. But we do have a couple minor mods coming in the next few days, so keep an eye out for that. This spoiler is absolutely mega, guys. So there's one last thing we have to do here, Oris. We got to go ahead and taste these MOMs, I guess.
Moms?
Moms? Yeah, we got to go ahead and taste them. So do the honors, open it up for us.
All right.
Yeah, I want the orange.
So I feel like it's like Laffy Taffy or something.
Oh, it could be.
You know?
Yeah.
That's what it is. It's like a fruit.
Oh, interesting. Okay, open mine up.
Does AutoID own these guys, or what's going on?
I don't know. Maybe.
That's the move there.
Cheers, bud. Please get Laffy Taffy a little bit. That's good. I'll give it 8.5 out of 10.
I'll give it an 8. Just because I'm worried about the cavities now.
Nice. Okay, guys, but that is going to do it for the video. Again, massive shout out to AutoID for the spoiler. It looks absolutely fantastic. If you guys are interested in this spoiler or any other carbon products from AutoID, definitely check out their website. It's linked in the description of this video. Stay tuned for more content. We got a couple other minor mods coming like I mentioned earlier. And that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, smash that like button, subscribe for more content on the G87. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.